Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Kamakailan parang kakalabas na ng Vivo V50 and meron ng Vivo V50 Lite na sumunod agad. Powered by the Dimensity 6300, meron siyang drop resistance as well. Meron din siyang water and dust resistance and meron siyang super big na 6,500 na Blue Bolt battery. Lahat ng yan and more after this quick intro. Now, si Vivo V50 Lite, ang dami mong option na pwede pagpilian. Ang ganang 8256 na 4G variant comes at a price point of 13,999. And ang ganang 8256 storage na 5G variant comes at a price point of 16,999. Meron pa. Ang ganang 512 na storage na 5G variant comes at a price point of 19,999. More details on the description box below kung saan na siya pwede mabili. Now, one of the highlights dito sa phone na ito is yung kanyang AI na features. There are several features na pwede mong gamitin dito sa phone na ito which is very useful. One of my favorite is definitely AI Erase 2.0. Especially sa mga annoying na mga photo bombers, no? All you need to do is just punta ka lang sa photo mo, pinag mo na edit, punta ka lang sa AI Erase, and i-circle mo lang. Automatic na siya, i-detect na yung mga photo bombers or yung objects na gusto mong tanggalin, ha-highlight mo lang siya, then mawala na lang siya instantly. And maganda rin kanyang pagka-render after that. Another one is yung kanyang AI Photo Enhance. One of the things na siguro mga lumang photo mo from your older phones, medyo pangit ang resolution. So what you can do is just pasok mo lang dito sa phone na ito, i-edit mo lang siya, then i-select mo yung parang may band-aid na logo, repair. Then pindutin mo AI Enhance, i-enhance niya to a better looking photo compared sa dati ng resolution. Ayos, di ba? And another useful na AI tool is yung kanyang AI Circle to Search. Punta ka lang doon sa photo na gusto mo i-search, all you need to do is pindutin mo lang itong bar sa baba, yan. Then, ibilog mo lang siya and lalabas siya sa Google Search kung anong nga bang yung hinahanap ninyo. Ganon katalino itong Vivo V50 Lite. Now, one of the first thing na magusto mo dito sa kanya is yung kanyang design. Very simple yet elegant ang kanyang design and maganda rin naman kanyang camera placement dito. And andito pa rin ang kanyang aura light, so giving you better portrait shots. Yung kanyang side is quite shiny, so expect a lot of fingerprint smudges. Quite thin din ang kanyang bezels and medyo malaki lang konti ang kanyang camera pump. The design is good and masarap naman siyang hawakan. Now, this one is being powered by the Dimensity 6300. And nung sinalang ko ito sa Antutu benchmark, binigyan ako ng 385,000 points. And ito ang kanyang breakdown score. Ito ang score na nakuha natin sa Wildlife Extreme. Ito naman nakuha natin sa CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. Quite good naman ang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 85% ng kanyang best performance. Now, usapang battery tayo. This one is a impressive na 6,500 mAh na battery na Blue Bolt technology na meron ni Vivo. Promise ni Vivo dito, 5 years guarantee na super durable na battery health, which of course remains to be seen but it's a good initiative. Another good thing, it supports 90 watts na flash charge din. Probably one of the rare few below 20,000 peso that can support a 90 watts na flash charge. Now, if you ask me, kamusta naman ng battery endurance? Almost 2 days ang kaya na itagal without even charging, basta normal usage. And nung sinalang ko sa PC Mark na battery stress test, guys, mas surprise ka sa kanyang result. It gave me a 23 hours and 11 minutes na screen on time. This is really mind-blowing. Tested to under 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. This is definitely very impressive. Napag-usapan natin ang kanyang display. This one is a 6.77-inch na AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and a 1800 nits na maximum brightness. This one comes with the SGS na drop resistance certificate, IP65 and IP69 na dust and water resistance. And this one is a MIL STD 810H compliant as well. So definitely tough siya. Now if you're browsing naman on socials dito, expect to give you a good experience. Okay naman kanyang screen, magandang kanyang display, and quite buttery smooth naman if you're browsing on your favorite social, as long as maganda naman yung internet connection, wala ka naman magiging problema dito sa phone na ito. Now, if you're watching videos dito like anime, basketball games, yung mga favorite shows mo dito, expect to give you a good immersive experience dahil maganda naman kanyang display, and the black is definitely blacker. Now, one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanyang stereo speaker, this one, ang volume niya pwede mo isagat up to 400%. O, tingnan nyo guys. Testing natin. Impressive ang ganang sounds ha, malakas. Pero yung pag sinagad-sagad mo siya, medyo mapapansin mo may kunting noise, sumasabog ng kunti. Pero pag binaba mo sa mga 200%, maganda na magandang tunog. Perfect sa Spotify and watching videos. Now, I did play 3 games dito. I played Call of Duty Mobile, Lite 84, and Honor of Kings. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman ka ng graphical experience. Wala kang magiging problema dito sa phone na ito. Dahil 6300 can definitely handle Call of Duty Mobile. Smooth naman ang gameplay ko dito, and wala kang magiging problema sa kanya. The touch response is good, the sounds is good, and after 30 minutes of gameplay, 42 degrees Celsius. Lite 84, medyo sinagad ko siya. Ang kanyang frame rate nilagay natin sa high, and graphics siya is HD. Medyo at times may mafe-feel kang lag after mga 50 minutes of gameplay, and naglaro naman ako halos isang oras dito. Sinagad-sagad natin ang experience ko dito, and there are times talaga mafe-feel mo parang naiiwan ka pag tumatakbo ka, and of course pag nagsislide ka and nagsi-sniper scope ka, parang medyo umuutal. Yun ang mapapansin mo, lalo kung nagka-clash kayo on a certain point, medyo parang bumabagal ka ng konti. Probably hindi pa ganun ka-optimized para sa chip na ito, pero overall experience is okay, not the best, and medyo mainit siya at 45 degrees Celsius after an hour of gameplay. Pagdating naman sa Honor of Kings, wala kang maging problema din naman dito sa kanyang gameplay. Smooth naman siya. Nilagyan natin sa high FPS and high resolution. One thing na napansin ko pag nagka-clash, may mga kalaban mo, no, biglang magte-teleport away from you. Yun ang napansin ko from this game. Probably due to, I'm not sure, maybe bad internet connection, or maybe siguro nag-lag siya ng konti, kaya nangyari yon. And after 30 minutes of gameplay, 44 degrees Celsius. Now, right now, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang camera. Even though that this is a more toned-down version of V50, this one still sports a Sony IMX882 na sensor. And ang Sony sensor niya is a 50MP na shooter, which is also supported with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Together with the Aura Ring, makakuha ka ng magandang video dito sa kanya, definitely. And this one can shoot you up to 1080p and 60 FPS. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 32MP shooter, which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30 FPS. Na pag Vivo V50 Lite ang pinag-uusapan, one of the highlights definitely would be yung kanyang camera. So let's start off with some of the outdoor shot na nakuha natin. One of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang green is a little bit more greener. Yung green niya is hindi yung saturated na green, pero it's more of the darker green na shade yung attack niya dito. And honestly, I like yung kanyang medyo kunting darker green ang approach niya dito sa kanyang mga shots, no? And some of these shots are quite near din sa kanyang color. And this one looks quite good. Taking some outdoor shots sa mga flower, though pansin ko it's a little bit more overexposed. Pero probably it's due to yung sunlight na medyo matapang yung sunlight, no? But overall, this flowers looks quite good. And yeah, talagang overexposed siya due to the harsh sunlight. If you're just simply panning around, makakuha ka naman ng some great shots from this camera. And kung nilalaro mo naman ka ng ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like. Ito ka na normal. And ito ang kanyang 2x zoom. Now, zooming all the way, check natin yung word na Soler. Intact pa rin naman siya, pero though medyo mas grainy na siya konti. Now, one thing na mapapansin mo is medyo iba ang color ng ultra-wide tsaka ng kanyang normal shot. Yung ultra-wide medyo mas pale konti ang kanyang blue, and yung kanyang normal lens mas bluer yung kanyang attack. Now, if you're trying to take naman mga building shot, okay naman siya. Not as good as the Vivo V50, but I think it's quite good enough to get the job done. And this is another shot na masasabi kong not so bad. Now, if you're going indoor and you're trying to take some food shot, makakuha ka ng some really good shots dito sa Vivo V50 Lite. Taking a look at some of this food shot, masasabi ko, maganda makakuha dito sa Vivo V50 Lite. And this just looks quite good, except that this one, medyo mas overexposed. Siguro dahil sa kanang halogen bulb. And the rest of the other shots are quite decent and quite good tingnan. Pati ito mga Korean fish cake looks quite good, tingnan nyo. Na kung mahilig ka naman sa mga product shots, makakuha din naman tong camera niya ng quite good shots. Maganda nga ng pagka-focus of subject and blurring it all the way to the background. And this is another great shot na nakuha natin. Taking some indoor low light shot, yung ganang camera would definitely be able to perform dahil, well, honestly, maganda naman kuha niya dito. And some of this product shot, ang ganda, maganda ka ng pagka-focus sa subject and quite good din ang kanang pagkakuha dito sa kanya. Pag zoomin mo, ganda ng mga details. Napag-usapan natin ganang selfie camera. Ganang camera is quite good. It was able to take some really nice details from my face and looking good din ng mga shots na ito, except that there are some angles na medyo parang namumuti ako. But on most of the other outdoor shot na nakuha natin are quite good and decent. Kapag indoor naman pag-usapan natin at magandang lighting, you'll be able to get some nice and really good shots like this one. Pero kung medyo poor ng lighting, expect mo magiging soft just like this one. Now, if you're using kind of front-facing camera to take a vlog, it's a little bit shaky. Pansin ko, I'm using just my bare hand. And pag medyo madilim, medyo naninilim din ang aking mukha. Yan ang napansin ko dito. Now, if you're using the rear camera, this is quite more stable than the front one. Though, may konting shake din, pero the very least, the resolution is quite good. And I would say na you need a gimbal para mas stable ang mga video mo makukuha dito sa Vivo V50 Lite. Now, one of the key features na niretain ni Vivo dito sa kanyang V-series, dito sa V50 Lite, is yung kanyang aura light dito sa likod. Now, sobrang useful nito lalo sa sobrang dilim na place. You can see itong photo na ito, sobrang dilim na ito. Pinicturean ko, na-enhance na siya. Pero kung ginamitan mo pa siya ng aura light, talagang mas better ang enhancement. Mas mukha siyang parang madaling araw pa nga, no? To be honest with you. Then of course, pag kinuha mo sarili mo na without aura light, medyo may kunting ilaw lang ako. So this is the photo that you'll see. And pag in-enhance mo siya using the aura light, it would become a lot better yung photo. Makita mo yung details sa mukha, yung damit mo, and everything else, mas na-enhance yung photo na gusto mong kunan. So good sa akin na retain pa rin si aura light. Now guys, with a toned down version of V50, si V50 Lite 5G is definitely another good phone to buy from Vivo. Honestly, kung pagtatabi mo to together with the Oppo Reno 13F, talong-talo si Oppo Reno 13F. If I'm correct, si Oppo Reno 13F has a price point of 25,990, which is the same configuration na 8256 ni Vivo V50 Lite. Pero sa kanyang camera, talong-talo siya kasi gamit niya si Omnivision na 50D. Ito, Sony IMX882. Doon pala masasabi ko overpriced na sobra si Oppo Reno 13F. Plus, this one's also tough and it can give you some nice na mid-level gaming experience as well. 5G connectivity dito sa phone nito is definitely good. Mabilis sumagap ng signal. So guys, ano tingin nyo dito sa Vivo V50 Lite? So kaya guys, ano tingin nyo dito sa Vivo V50 Lite? Let me know in the comments. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan ito pwede mabili, I'll post the link on the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.